Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. You've spent months searching, negotiating, and finally closing on your dream home. You've put a lot of money down for down payment, closing costs, and moving expenses. It all adds up fast. The last thing you want is an unexpected repair bill right after moving in, and trust me, I've been there. When I bought my last home, within the first few months, both my refrigerator and clothes dryer broke down. Neither one was cheap to replace, and I wasn't expecting to shell out that extra cash right after closing. And I've seen it happen to my clients too. One of my buyers recently purchased a beautiful $1 million home, but decided to skip the home warranty. And within the first month, the AC went out and they had to spend $8,000 to replace it. That's a tough pill to swallow after making such a big investment. This is where a home warranty can save you thousands. For a relatively small investment up front, a home warranty helps cover the repair or replacement of major appliances or in systems like your HVAC, water heater, and kitchen appliances, things that can break down over time. As a homeowner and an experienced realtor, I always recommend my buyers consider a home warranty. It's peace of mind during that first year when you're still getting settled. Plus, some sellers will even offer one as part of the deal, so why not take advantage? Buying a home is a huge financial investment. Protecting that investment with a home warranty just makes sense. If you have questions about home warranties or anything else in the home buying process, I'm here to help. Drop your questions in the comments or send me a message and let's set up some time to chat. And special thanks to our friends here at Dreammakers of Hollywood who have given us the opportunity to shoot this video in this fantastic kitchen. They've got some incredible bathroom spaces, so come and check them out. Trusted experience, real results. That's Team Move.